How do I cut costs without hurting service quality? You cut costs without hurting service quality by trimming waste behind the scenes instead of cutting corners on the parts your customers actually see and feel. Think of your business like a lemonade stand. If you use cheaper lemons or less sugar, people taste the difference right away and stop coming back. But if you find a smarter way to buy cups in bulk, or stop wasting ice that melts before you use it, nobody notices a thing except your wallet getting heavier. Here is something most people never think about. A lot of money gets wasted not on big purchases but on small repeated leaks, like paying for tools nobody uses, or driving extra trips because a job was not planned out well. Smart owners sit down every few months and track exactly where every dollar goes, almost like a detective following clues. They watch for patterns, like a supplier quietly raising prices, or a task taking way longer than it should. Once you find those leaks, you fix them one at a time, and your service stays just as good, sometimes even better, because you are running things smarter instead of cheaper. One common mistake is assuming cheaper materials always save money, when really they often break down faster and cost more in repairs later, so compare the full lifespan cost, not just the sticker price. Another mistake is cutting staff training to save a little cash up front, which usually leads to slower work and more mistakes, so invest a small amount in training and you will save far more down the road. Many people also forget to renegotiate with suppliers every year, assuming prices are fixed, when a simple phone call asking for a better rate can save a surprising amount without changing anything else about your service. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.